Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about 9 habits of highly successful people. So for next few seconds, listen carefully so that you will become one of them. Number 1, think rich. Success is not just about money. It is about mental clarity and focusing on your goals. Number 2, commit to single tasking. Multitasking is a myth. Focusing on one task at a time leads to better results. Number 3, network effectively. You can't get to the top alone. Build relationships that support your journey. Number 4, keep your diet simple. Simplicity in diet leads to clarity in mind and body. Eat less, but eat better. Number 5, surround yourself with positive people. Your network is your net worth. Choose your companions wisely. Number 6, live with passion. Life is too short to be ordinary. Pursue your passions and do what you love. Number 7, follow your gut. Trust your instincts. Your gut knows what your mind hasn't figured out yet. Number 8, cultivate creativity. Creativity is just connecting things. It's about seeing things differently. Number 9, feed your brain with right stuff. Just like your diet, the data and the information you consume affects your personal development. So be picky in the books you read and the videos you watch. So if you want to be successful and consume the right data, follow us for more such videos. See you in the next video.